Right, I'm in the garden and I'm just going to have a very quick test of this, a couple of clips. So I'll do it around the garden and then I'm going to upload it to YouTube because I've got a problem. The last time it kept uploading with a split screen. So I'm going to do this and I'll upload it later and see what happens. Now we're just going to wander around the garden while it's fine. That's a herb bed with all sorts on it. Bay leaves on the left. Gooseberries just straight ahead there, next to the chimney pot. All sorts of mint. Alison, my wife, she's got all sorts in there. I wouldn't have a clue. A patio bed, looking very canny with the daffodils and things. Got a wood pile there for the birds, they love it. I put seeds in amongst that and the birds go raking in amongst it. Not to forget him, there he is, Indy. Come on then. Into the orchard. Cracking apple tree there. Two more apple trees over there. Cherry at the background. Cherry and blossom there. Not cherry, no, the one over in the corner, that's a plum. Another plum there in blossom. Cherry there. Sunken path going down there with laburnums either side. Greenhouse full of rubbish at the moment. Don't know what that is, but it flowers really nicely. Come on then, Indy. Okay, we've got the garden pond. Frog spawn just down there. Bog garden, nothing much going on there at the moment. The stuff covered up is gonorrhea, covered up for the frost. Wood stove when we have the chimney on it. That one there is a snakehead fritillary. Quite a few of them in here. Can't remember the blue ones. Hyacinths. Everything's coming to life now, brilliant. And even some of the daffodils are dying back. Pile of wood chippings from when we had the trees all cut back a couple of weeks ago. Raised bed there with a rose bed really when they come out in July, June. Riverbank. looking up the river with you. And it's looking a bit angry down there. I think that's past us. In fact, it's not. It's coming towards us. Ooh. Come on in. How are you, Indy? Hey, what are you rolling in? Come on. Hey, what are you rolling in? Come here. You little buggy, you just had a bath. Come on, get in. Go on. In the house. Go on. Go on. Go on that way. Quick, quick. Go on, hurry up. Emperor fritillaries stink when they're growing, but really bonny plants in flower. And that's it, I think.